Jack's farm. It's a little rainy here.
What are we in line for?
Face paint and
What?
Face paint.
All right. Can't wait to see what you pick out. Aren't you a cute little pumpkin? You petty? He is so cute with the little pink hair. Collins. 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 Are you gonna feed him? Snoozing. Oh, y'all need to come feed these. He's hungry. Good, Sissy, you're bright.
Got one there.
Oh yeah, they like it. Oh, there goes all of our food. Paintball gun. Oh, nice, Sissy.
Yeah, get it.
Keep going. Right,
Oh,
paint.
turkey?
Oh, I didn't even see the turkey.
Go down.
Who's gonna win? Oh, right, Dad won a free T-shirt.
Yeah, and then we got in stuffed animals. So, Mom, guess what it is?
A horse. A llama. Good pig.